sign clearing the way. Clear out the lights nice and calm, and someone decides they don't like the red alarm. Amber says steady, red says stop, but someone up front says maybe, maybe not. Little red circle glowing bright overhead, but they treat it like a friendly suggestion instead. Foot on the pedal, brain on mute, timing the gamble on the daily news. 3, 2, 1, that glowing light. There was an amber that was definitely red, right? Oh, just one more second, that's what they say. Didn't see the red, it changed on the way. Through the junction, flying like they're late for tea, while my dash cam's filming in HD. Oh, just one more second, pedal to the floor. If red means stop, what's the yellow for? Every single day it's the same old sight, the Olympic sport of jumping red lights. White van creeping like it's thinking it through, taxi behind it thinking I go too. Now it's 2 cars, maybe 3 in a row, playing traffic roulette before they slow. Cyclists shaking their head to the side, bus driver watching like it's deja vu time. Somewhere a traffic camera quietly sighs, another highlight for tonight's surprise. Brake lights blinking, engines roar, everyone swears they were through before, but the footage says different in crystal sight. That red was glowing like a warning light. Oh, just one more second, that's what they say. Didn't see the red, it changed on the way. Through the junction, flying like they're late for tea, while my dash cam's filming in HD. Oh, just one more second, pedal to the floor. If red means stop, what's the yellow for? Every single day it's the same old sight, the Olympic sport of jumping red lights. Some say patience, some say wait, others say nah, I'll accelerate. The rule book's more of a vibe to some, a gentle suggestion they overcome. But the dash cam's watching every daring feat, front row seats from the driver's seat. If there's a trophy for cheek and speed, half the drivers would take the lead. Oh, just one more second, off they glide through the junction like it's a carnival ride. Engines roaring like they're chasing fame, while my